In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Amazon shopping app keeps stopping error. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is clear cache for the app. So launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Amazon shopping and launch it. Now click on upload app, confirm it, then click on reinstall app. Then you can head back. Now ensure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Likewise, head back. Here, navigate to the option software update. If any new updates are available for your device, just update it. Likewise, check for app update. So head over to App Store or Play Store, search for Amazon Shopping. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, check your internet connection. Ensure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Lastly, what you want to do is completely delete Amazon shopping app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With this solution, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.